going on, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna do unboxing of real quick. I bought another pair of these. I did an unboxing of these recently. You know, real comfortable running shoes. Couldn't pass up on them because they may run out eventually. But you know, running on them, treadmill outside, real comfortable. Get used to run on them, and then they wear out. So can't have too many of these, and this is a different color. Well, we're going on the Nike Free RN Flyknit 2018. Last ones are unboxed is all black. These are not that. These are not that. They're black and white, kind of like the Oreo type deal. A little slow. I don't get like that. So now the ones I had last time or unboxed in my last video, and then look at that bottom. Look at that. The ones I unboxed in my last video, same version of the shoe, but they had that kind of like built-in sock on the inside, so it gives you kind of more support. This one does not. If you can see that it's kind of just like that's my, you can see through there. My finger right there. So it's just a real light material around your foot. See how it bends right there. Once these bad boys get broken in, like legit, you know what I'm saying? So got the Nike Free on the back, white Nike, black and black and white. I'm kind of like a fan of it. Easy to go, free. Man, come on, y'all. Come on, focus. There we go. No, we don't. I don't know. I don't want to focus. There we go. All right. So you got that Nike right there. All right. So yeah. And then you got the inside. Just a little small details, but you know, these are just running shoes. Again, not for everybody. I like them though. Look sleek and stuff, and great running shoes, man. Real comfortable, real light. Supportive though. Supportive on his back end. You really run a lot. Yeah, like I'm not no marathon runner or anything like that, but I do get some miles in, and whether it's on the treadmill or outside. But when you do run, you wear these pretty quick, and you like, dang man, you know, I need another running shoe. That's why, you know, I'm kind of stocking up on these. This is my fourth pair. So I have two. I have one I just started breaking in. I'll let y'all see the video on earlier, all black. Got these, and I have the original pair. Actually, I got them here. These are my first pair. Look how I beat those up. I got those got these like I'm going to grade school or something. Like little, I'll be running in them. But these are colors that they go, you know, black and gray, black, silver, black and white. That's how I get down. But yeah, well, I was like, when these were going away, I was like, man, you see how light those are, broken in. Hey, great running shoes. But when they're going out, I'm like, oh man, I ain't gonna be able to find these anymore. Found some different colors, I'm good to go. But anyway, thanks for joining us on the next or this unboxing. We got some more for y'all coming down the pipe. Either way, man, take care of each other, look after each other, be good, be safe, man. It's a crazy world we in. Long live D-Mac.